Most people get this wrong when ordering from Walmart online. They search for products, add random items to their cart, and then get confused at checkout when they see shipping fees, pickup options, or delivery choices they don't understand. Here's the truth no one tells you. Ordering from Walmart online is actually very simple. Once you know the fastest and smartest way to do it. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to order from Walmart online step by step, how to choose shipping, pickup or delivery, how to avoid common mistakes, and how to save money while ordering. So let's get straight into it. First, you need to open the Walmart app or go to Walmart's website. You can use your phone, tablet, or computer. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, create one. This only takes a minute. You'll usually need your name, email address, password, and phone number. Now here's where it gets interesting. Signing in makes ordering easier because Walmart saves your address, payment method, and order history. That means faster checkout next time. For example, Alex shops as a guest every time. He enters everything manually. Jake signs in once. Future orders are faster. Jake saves time. Now once you're logged in, the next step is searching for your item. Use the search bar at the top. Type the product name. Deal. For example, laptop, groceries, TV, shoes, cleaning supplies, or anything else you need. You can also browse categories. Now here's the problem. Many people don't use filters. And this is where most people fail. Search results can show hundreds of items. Use filters to save time. For example, price range, brand, ratings, sides, color, shipping speed, pickup availability. This makes shopping faster. For example, John searches for headphones. He sees 500 options. He filters by 4-star rating and fast shipping. Now he finds the right one quickly. Simple. Now when you find the product you want, tap or click it. Read the details carefully. Check. Price. Eyes.e1. Color.it. Description. Reviews. Seller.die. And shipping options. This matters because some items are sold directly by Walmart. Others are sold by third-party sellers. Now here's where it gets interesting. Third-party sellers may have different return policies or shipping times. So always check before buying. Now once you're ready, click Add to Cart. That saves the item. You can continue shopping or go to checkout. Now in a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid paying unnecessary shipping fees. Because this can save money. Before that, let's talk about cart review. Open your cart and review everything. Check. Correct item. Correct quantity. Correct size. Correct color. Correct shipping method. This is where most people fail. They rush checkout. Then realize they ordered the wrong item. For example, Alex orders the wrong TV size. Jake double-checks first. Jake avoids the hassle. Now, let's talk about delivery options. Walmart usually offers one or more of these. Shipping. Pickup. Delivery. Shipping means the item is sent to your address. Pickup means you collect it at the store. Delivery may bring groceries or items faster from a nearby store. Choose the best option for you. Now, here's the problem. Each option may have different costs. Shipping may be free over a minimum amount. Pickup is often free. Delivery may include fees. Always check before confirming. Now let's talk about entering your address. If shipping or delivery is selected, enter your address carefully. Wrong address can delay your order. For example, John enters the wrong apartment number. His package gets delayed. Jake double-checks. No problem. Now choose your payment method. Walmart usually accepts debit cards, credit cards, gift cards, PayPal in some regions, or other payment methods. Enter your details carefully. Now here's where it gets interesting. You may be able to apply promo codes or gift cards before paying. Always check. That can save money. Now review the total price. This includes item cost, taxes, shipping fees, delivery fees if applicable. Then, click Place Order. That's it. Your order is submitted. Simple. Now let's talk about tracking. After ordering, Walmart usually sends confirmation by email or app notification. You can track your order inside the app or website. Go to Account. Then, Order History. There you'll see updates like processing, shipped, out for delivery, ready for pickup. Now, here's the problem. Some people panic if the order doesn't move immediately. Processing can take time, especially during busy periods. Now let's talk about pickup orders. If you choose pickup, Walmart will notify you when the order is ready. Go to the store. Follow pickup instructions. Some stores offer curbside pickup. That means they bring it to your car. Fast and easy. Now here's where it gets interesting. For grocery delivery or same-day delivery, timing matters. Choose the delivery slot carefully. Some slots cost more. Some are cheaper. This can save money. Now let's talk about common mistakes. Mistake number 1. Wrong address. Mistake number 2. Wrong item or size. Mistake number 3. Designs. Ignoring shipping fees. Mistake number 4. Buying from unknown sellers without checking reviews. Mistake number 5. Forgetting promo codes or gift cards. Avoid these and ordering is easy. Now, let's talk about canceling or changing an order. Sometimes you can cancel before it ships. Go to Order History. Find the order. Tap Cancel or Edit if available. Once shipped, cancellation may not be possible. Then you may need a return. Now here's the easiest money-saving tip. Combine items in one order to qualify for free shipping. For example, Alex buys one small item and pays shipping. Jake adds a few needed items and gets free shipping. Jake saves money. Simple strategy. Now let's compare two users. Alex rushes, orders wrong size, pays extra shipping. Jake uses filters, checks reviews, chooses free pickup. Jake saves money and time. This is where most people fail. Now let's quickly recap. Open Walmart app or website. Sign in. Search for your item. Use filters. Check product details. Add to cart. Choose shipping, pickup, or delivery. Enter address style. Choose payment. Review total. Place order. Track it in order history. That's the full process. Simple, once you know the steps. Now you know exactly how to order from Walmart online. No confusion. No wasted time. Just the easiest and smartest method. If this video helped you order from Walmart online, hit the like button. Comment below what you ordered, or if you had any issues at checkout. And if you want more simple tutorials and step-by-step guides, subscribe now so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.